Hello everyone. In this series of videos, I prepared for you some very useful and hands-on tips to help you with homeschooling. Either you are doing homeschooling as a parent or you are doing homeschooling as a teacher, I'm sure that these tips will help you. So let's get started. Number one, collaboration. When we talk about collaboration, what we really mean is you are designing a relationship with your student, with your child. And in this design, it is important to go into every single detail. How do you want to study together? What will help your child to be more focused? How can you create that space for them? And they can also ask you questions about how can they help you becoming a parent more at peace and more having that calmness and balance in your everyday life. So whatever you would like to design together, um, you need to have this conversation. That's number one. And once you have this collaboration, make sure you follow it up. Make sure that you both respect the rules. And if they don't work, change them. If they have to be altered, then you have full permission and you have the full freedom to change those rules and design differently. So, number one, design your collaboration with your child. Design your collaboration with your students.